Then after you go, let's say they're 10 wide, you add a 10 to the other direction. Or when I say you add a 10, you add up to 10, then you need to multiply by 25, let's say they're an inch up as well, multiply by 25 millimeters, or you need to add 25 millimeters, but it's a multiple if you're multiplying by the number of rows. See, like this is the mindset, we'll leave this in the video, right? This is the mindset of how you have to think as a programmer to, be able to accommodate picking from a nest and programming in a way that's the proper way of programming. Sure, you could program all 50 points, but then you'll have issues with like some points being off. And there's some instances where, doing this offset type of positioning is not always the best thing. Like say for like welding, you can't really like offset positions as much. You can do it and like at least get some like rough programming in place if you're a fast programmer. But a lot of times like you have to end up touching up things in the long run anyway. So some instances this doesn't work out. This is also something you learn after some experience.